Hey, what is up, you guys? This is Cocosing Valley Model Railroad speaking. Well, I've been super busy working on this Bachman 4441 steam locomotive, and it has DCC in sound. Been fiddling around with the servo or CVs on the locomotive for different sounds, and there was some whistles that already had it, and there were like 18 whistles and 3 bells and different chugging sounds, and I found some it fit the engine nicely for my switching operations if I'm switching cars out with this engine. So I'm gonna give you a sound of the whistle. You can hear it. And then the bell. And we'll do the test run. We'll move it forward. This locomotive has an MRC decoder inside of it. I did not put the decoder in myself. It already had it. There was some shrink tubing. It was loose, so I had to fix that. There are 2 wires touching the separated frame apart from the locomotive, and that's what's picking its power up from here. It also is picking power up from the tender as well. So both sides are picking up power from each. The motor was insulated, so I could see there were 2 wires in that. And then a pair of wires went up to the headlight. The smoke unit is still connected, but not even active. So it doesn't even puff smoke. So the whole thing has a dead smoke unit. But it runs pretty good, and I'm super happy to fix it. The problem is I had to regauge its wheels using the MRC regauger for wheels and stuff like that. And so happy to have a bunch of these. If people are getting into the model railroad hobby and you just need one of these, if you're do coupler heights, check your track gauge and everything. So it's really nice to have this because you can check your height. That's what that hole is for. And it's really cool. I've got 3 of these, so I always keep one on hand. They're made of the etched metal, and they're really great. So I had to check all its wheels on this engine, make sure everything was regauged, check all the wiring, and got it running again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Cocosing Valley signing out. And enjoy your day and your evening and just having a good night, whatever you guys are doing. God bless you. See you later.